Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you there's an AI that acts like your coding best friend? Fixes bugs, explains code, and even builds full-stack apps. That's Phind AI. Let's dive into this monster tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm using Edge browser to test these prompts. What is Phind AI? Phind AI is not your average chatbot. It's built specifically for developers. Think ChatGPT, but on steroids, trained with real-world coding knowledge. It was officially launched in July 2022. Main features. Now let's talk about what really makes Phind AI stand out from the AI crowd. This isn't just another chatbot. It's a dev sidekick with serious skills. Here's what makes Phind special. 1. Instant code explanation. Ever stared at someone else's code like it's an alien language? Just paste it into Phind and boom. It breaks it down line by line like your senior dev bestie. Let's see an example. Here I'm entering prompt as explain this TypeScript function with context. Now let's see it generates. Simple explanation with logic, parameter breakdown, and use case. Second context, aware bug. Fixes. This ain't your Stack Overflow copy-paste guess game. Phind reads your code, understands the error context, and gives an actual fix with a reason. For example, I am typing prompt as fix. Type error, cannot read property map of undefined in React. Let's see what it generates. Phind not only fixes it, but tells you why that bug came up and how to avoid it next time. 3. Full code generation. Need to build a login page, API endpoint, or even a database schema? Just describe what you want. Phind will give you working code ready to deploy. Let's test this with an example. I am typing prompt as build a Node.js API to fetch weather data using OpenWeatherMap API. Now let's see what it generates. Boom! Complete code with NPM packages, route explanation, and test cases. Stack Overflow killer mode. You no longer need to browse outdated Stack Overflow answers from 2012. Phind uses modern context and latest tech practices. Here I'm entering prompt as what's the cleanest way to handle async await in a for each loop. Phind gives updated syntax, explains performance, and even suggests alternatives. 5th, VS Code integration. Yep, you can plug Phind right into VS Code. Ask it anything without leaving your IDE. Instant help. No tab switching. 100% productivity mode. Final verdict. Phind AI is the closest thing to a 24/7 senior developer sitting next to you. Free to use, powerful in output, and it keeps getting better. If you're a developer and not using Phind, you're wasting time. Try it now and thank me later. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.